Hey, what's up, Glam Fam? So just to let you guys know, I was making a live stream at the same time I made this video, and I actually forgot to make an intro, so we're just gonna jump into it. Starting out, we are using our Urban Luxe palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're going for that bubblegum pink, and this will be the first color for our transitional base. For the next palette that we're going to be using in this video, it's the Aurora Lights, and this is also by BH Cosmetics, and we're going for that deep pink. Now when we apply this pink, we're actually going to start to try to make our cut crease. So here we're only putting that basically where the crease would go, and then later on we're going to do something else with that. So here we switch to a slightly lighter pink, and we're gonna put this right above where we had that deep pink before. And we're doing this because we want to try to start to blend out the colors. I know it's a little bit unorthodox and it's a little reverse, but that's how we do it. Now we're going in with that magenta because I didn't really like how the crease looked. I really wanted a nice contrast between the bright pink and the dark pink. So we use that magenta to, make that crease a little bit darker. So here I'm actually going in with a white jumbo pencil, and basically again we're just gonna go ahead and find that crease. This will help create that nice ombre effect. So when you use this the white, you want to make sure you only put that to the inner parts of the eye. So I didn't actually show this, but I went ahead and I switched to the white concealer by Conceal. It's like kind of like a creamy liquid-ish type thing. And I went ahead and I switched because I wanted that white to be a little bit more pigmented. You guys can already see how the ombre cut crease is coming together. So basically what I did here is I went in with that deep magenta to basically strengthen that contrast. And then here we're going back to our Urban Luxe palette. We're going back to that bubblegum pink, and we're just going to strengthen the original color that we had because we lost a lot of that. So now what I'm doing is basically blending into where I put that white concealer, just so we can, have a better ombre effect before we go on top with our glitter. This is the pressed glitter by Beauty Glazed, and we are going for the pink glitter, and we're gonna apply this to where we had the white concealer before. And we do the white first so the pink will show up more pigmented. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some of that silver glitter, and we add the silver glitter to make the pink pop a little bit more, because right now it's looking really dull. So if you add something that's highly reflective like the silver, then it just makes it pop that much more. We don't want to add so much that you lose the pink, but just enough. That's the same reason why we're going over it with that white glitter as well. We don't want to take away from that pink, we just want it to be more reflective. So now we're going to go ahead and start with our eyeliner wings. And we're just using a standard black liquid liner. gonna do something a little special. We're gonna go in with our metallic silver liner, and we're basically just gonna outline where we had that black liner before. Now we have layered eyeliner wings, which is really nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep for our lashes. We're going in with our basic mascara. Nothing special about this one. This one just happens to be my favorite one. So this is what our eyeshadow build looks like so far. I'm pretty pleased with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my face process, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. So this is what we look like now. Our face is already done. We have our foundation, our blush, our glow, and everything. And now we're just gonna go ahead and finish the look. This is the standard black pencil eyeliner, and we're just gonna add some color to our waterline. This will help make the look more dramatic. So here we were actually gonna go ahead and prep our bottom lashes, but we forgot a step. We have to add the color to the bottom of our lashes first. So this is the brush that previously had the magenta on there. And again, we're just gonna brush this underneath our lash line, just so we can bring everything together. But I really didn't like how that pink looked, so I went ahead and, strengthened that magenta color. Now we're going to go ahead and add our highlight. This is our highlight palette by Kiss Professionals. It is a shimmer palette. And here we're just going to go ahead and add this to our inner tear ducts of our eyes. We're going to add a little bit to our brows, and then we're going to add a little bit to our nose. Now we're going back in with that liquid black eyeliner, and we're going to add this to the inner tear ducts of our eyes. That way we can really make that feline eyeliner wing really pop. So we have the wing on the outside, but now we need the wing on the inside as well. Now we're going in with a pink lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick by Ofra. Now this is where I feel like I messed up, because I don't think this look necessarily needed the lip. I should have did a clear gloss, but I didn't, so let's keep going. This is the Diamond Lip Gloss. This color is Bubbly, and this is by AOA Studios. This is like a halogenic lip gloss. Before we go in with our loose glitter, a hot pink. It was a nice idea, but I don't think the execution was really there. Now we're going in with the silver, and we're only going to add a little bit just to make it highly reflective. So this is the complete look. Ladies, let me know what you think about this look. Again, this was a special request. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies in the next one.